my goodness. Look at them. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. They're huge. They're scary. Ah! Look, I'm just shaking. What are they eating? Oh, I'm too scared to get out. Oh my goodness. You're huge. Here, video for me. Oh my god. I'm scared to get out.
They're feeding on fish.
Oh my god. Poor little crows don't have a chance, eh? Shit, eh?
Crap, how many do I have together?
I don't know. Hello. I'm scared of you.
There's about 25 of them.
Oh my god. 26, 27? Oh,
Whoa!
one big woolly one, eh? Caliber?
Yeah.
Is it still going?
Yeah. There it is.
It's got a lot of memory on there.
Hey, I got a new memory card at my house. It's a brand new one. I haven't even opened it yet.
God, look at all of them up there too. Over there.
Bird.
Gee, you're supposed to share.
They're the same.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, he's flying. Look, he's got a piece of tail.
Yes, Marge and her tails.
So the ones that don't have the white head, those are just young ones, eh?
Yeah. Bald eagles and hawks.
Oh, is that a hawk?
That's what they call them.
Oh. Okay, that should be. Still going. Holy crap, eh?